Hello everyone. Today we can learn something related to circles. Okay, that is our fifth chapter, circular figures. See, here you can see two hens. Okay, so they are drawn from floral carpet. What do you mean by floral carpet? Did you draw floral carpet for your Onam competition? Yes, okay. So, what all geometric shapes are there in a floral carpet? Yes, circle, triangle, rectangle, square, rhombus, etc. Okay, so fill this column. Okay. The circle is an integral shape of a floral design. We couldn't avoid this circle shape from the floral design, right? Okay. So, this is an outline for the floral design. Can you say how many circles are there in this floral design? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there is a difference between each circles. What is that difference? The center of that circle is same, but the radius of that circle is different, isn't it? Okay, so what do you mean by radius? Let us look at that. Yes, diameter is the full width of the circle. Okay, so diameter is the full width of the circle, whereas radius is measured from the circle to any one point of the circle. So we can say that diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Okay, what is D? Diameter. Diameter is 2 into radius, which means double. Diameter is twice the radius, but radius is half of diameter. So, we can divide that. Half means diameter divided by 2. Okay, so diameter equal to 2 into radius. Radius equal to diameter by 2. R equal to D by 2. Okay, so are you clear? Diameter is the full width of the circle. Radius is the measure from the center to any one point on the circle. That means half of the diameter. Okay, so is it clear, dear children? Very good. Okay, here see activity 5.1. What is that? Circles within a circle. So, for drawing the circles, we want to open a software. Its name is GeoGebra. Okay. Did you heard about GeoGebra software? Okay, how can we open that? Click on Applications, Education, then GeoGebra. Okay. So, GeoGebra software is a free interactive software which is used to draw the geometrical shapes. Okay. For drawing geometrical shapes, we can make use of the GeoGebra software. Okay. So, here you can see minimize button, maximize, and this is the close icon. Okay. So, for maximizing that, you want to click on this rectangle or square shape. Okay, just click that. Now our window is maximized. This window, algebraic window, is not needed for us, so we can just close that. See, dear children, in this canvas you can see many things. What are they? Yes, so many lines which are drawn horizontally and vertically. These lines are known as grid lines. What is this? Grid lines. So, if you want to hide these grid lines, you can see here show or hide the grid tool. What is this? Show or hide the grid. Okay, now it is shown. If you want to hide that, just click there. Okay, so if you want to show that, just click once more. Okay, what happens if the tool is clicked twice? Yes, it will hide. If I am clicking once more, it will shown. Okay, likewise you can see show or hide the axis. Okay, this is the axis coordinates. Okay, so similarly if you want to hide that, you can click there. Okay, so dear children, now we are going to draw the circle with the same center and different radius. Okay, so for that you can select circle with the center through point. See, circle with the center through point. Which tool is used to draw a circle with the same center and different radii? Which tool? Circle with center through point. Select that tool. Click on any point on this surface. Okay. If you are clicking that, that will be the center of the circle. So for getting the accuracy, you can click on the point that intersects with the grid, which means joining point. This is one line, this is another line. So if it is joining anywhere, that is the intersection point. Okay. So if you are clicking on any of the point that is joining, you can click here, here, here. Okay. Your measurement will be accurate. Okay, so now you will get the center point. After that, click on another suitable point through which the circle can pass. You can click on any other point like this. Now I am clicking here, or you can click here, here, or anywhere. Okay, now I am clicking here. Okay, so I have drawn a circle with a center and another point in that circle. Okay. Now I am going to draw one more circle with the same center but different radius. Okay. I am not changing the center point. See. Okay. Likewise, you can draw as much as circles you wish. Okay. See. What is the speciality of this geometric shape? The center point is same for all the circles, but the radius is different. Now you want to calculate the radius and diameter. See in your textbook, there is a table you want to fill. Okay. See table 1.1. You want to find the radius and diameter of the circles you have drawn and list them. Okay. So first circle you want to write the radius and diameter. How can you find the radius and diameter without measuring with the help of a ruler? See dear children, you can see the grid lines, isn't it? This is the grid lines. Okay, so for measuring the radius of this circle, this is the first circle. Okay, for measuring the radius of this first circle, you need to count the lines in the grids. Okay, so this is 1 centimeter. Okay, each line is 1 centimeter. So what is the radius of this? This is 1 centimeter. Okay, then what is the diameter? 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. So 2 centimeter. Okay, then what is the radius of this circle? Yes, 1 plus 1. 2 centimeter is the radius. So what is the diameter? What is the equation for finding the diameter? 2 into radius. So here 2 is the radius. So 2 into 2, 4. Otherwise you can count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So write there as 4 is the diameter for second circle. Okay, right here second circle, then the radius is 2 centimeter, diameter is 4 centimeter. Then Likewise, you want to find the radius and diameter for third circle and fourth circle. Okay. This is the third circle. What is the radius? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, what is the diameter? 2 into 3, 6. Okay. Now, I am going to draw one more circle. That is the fourth circle. So, what is the radius of fourth circle? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, what is the diameter? 2 into 4, 8. Okay. So, you want to fill this box and send to me. Likewise, you want to write what is the relation between here. Okay. Relation between the radius and diameter of the circle. Okay. What is the relation? Diameter is twice the radius, whereas radius is half of diameter. Okay. So, dear children, I hope you all understood till this topic. If you are having any doubt, you can contact me and we can start our activity 5.2 in the next class. Okay. Thank you.